Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've talked to you guys. I just wanted to go through our lesson this week. It's going to be soccer. We're going to try this version. Hopefully this works well. Remember to contact your teacher if you need anything, or me if you can't figure some things out. So here we go. So I'm going to walk you through the presentation that'll be on the website. This Hello from Mr. Winkman is what you're watching. First thing you're going to do is your superhero warm-up or exercise. When you click this link, it takes you to the superhero warm-up. So you can go through this right here. Pick whichever one you like, and you are on. The next thing is you're going to go to the next slide, and this is your workout. It talks about what grade you are, how many times you do the circuit. Here is the circuit. Jumping jacks, squats, calf raises, arm circles, shoulder taps, and plank rotation. So all of those are in the circuit. And when you get to the next page, it is our soccer lesson, and this guy does a really good job. I was going to make some, but he's really good at showing you how to use your socks. It's called Move Up Soccer. You just click on here, and you can answer all those or try to complete this challenge. Whoops, I wasn't supposed to do that. The next is a little video on how to play soccer. This is just a basic video. It kind of gives you instructions. You might understand it, you might not. You might know everything, but you might not either. So here is a good lesson to try to figure out. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. As you can see, I'll go back through the whoops. Go back through the lesson for you. Move Up Soccer. So I hope you enjoy this little soccer lesson. Remember, get out as much as you can, play, get activity, get some activity and exercise. And we've talked about the difference between them, but make sure you're getting some of those. All right, have a good one. Bye.